Okay, so in this video I will test the logic which we already wrote. So let me go to register, get lover, let me change it to 2. Okay, let's write some password. Let's log in to receive the token. Okay, and let's go and add cat. So for that, let me show you. I separated the logic for the cat route and image route. Okay, so one thing to notice, I just added the API router to include the router. I imported get route with gets router. Okay, just to notice you to make it before to make some tests. Okay, so let me now upload a photo. You can see, and until the photo is checked by Vision API and whatever how to say logic we have in the background, because this process can be much slower than I showed. So let me add some names, okay, breed microchip, and let's click on submit and receive an error. So you can see we didn't create very good logic behind the token. Okay, let me open current user. So we just return the string, but we had to return the class, okay, the model. So let me now write user ID equals to user ID, ID equals to user ID, and let me call this user ID string. Okay, okay, let me check again. Okay, and now we have a different error. So here I've made mistakes. So I added the class definition to model dump, but here I need to pass the instance. Okay, let me again. Okay, so we already created you can see the cat. So here you can see cat user not found, because here I have a logic on the front end when I create the cat just to see it. So that we will make in the next video, or maybe in this, because this video is not so long. So let me just create it. Okay, okay, so let me so here let's add new route. Let's call it user next round cat, and async def get user next round cat. And here I will need something which we already wrote here. We need the user ID, because I have to find the current user cat. Okay, and user next round cat is equals, we already wrote the function. Okay, and let's reuse it. And here you can see we have next round cat or none, and here we will write, okay, if not user, let's raise an exception again with bet request detail you do not have, you do not upload a cat for the next round. And if we have the cat, we have to take the image of the cat. Okay, so let me find the file name. So next round get image file name equals to, now we need to go to the from queries. We need image queries. Let me just open and to see. So we just insert an image, we don't get any image. So here we need to write one more image, select image by ID, and here we will provide image ID as string, and here we have to receive image. Okay, and here maybe I will call it like select image file name, because I don't need the whole image, you know, I just need the file name. Okay, so let me create it like this, and we have image doc equals to await, and here we don't need the field filter because we will just get the document by ID. Okay, and here image dict equals to image doc to dict, and we will use the file name and take from image dict the file name. Okay, and return it. Okay, and here I will import select image file name. We can of course call it by ID. Okay, let's call it. Okay, because we pass ID. Okay, and here we will await select image, and we have user next round get, and here what we have, photo ID. Okay, and when we receive that, what we have to do, we have to import from storage dot cloud storage mode generate signet URL, because we have to generate some signet URL, and let's create get image next round get image URL equals to generate signet URL. Here I don't await because it's synchronous operation. Let's provide the file name and user next round get with image equals, so let me import one more class. Okay, and here image URL equals to next round get image URL, and let me dump the older model, this one. Okay, and let's return, and here I will add the response model, which is equal to next round get with image. Okay, and here I will just switch for now the route, because in the front end is called user get, the front end will search for this, and let's reload this. Okay, and here we see the name, the image with the signet URL and everything. Okay, thank you for the attention.